So hey my girls, and welcome back to another video. My name is Ari if you are new here, and hey home girls to the girls that's true here. So today, as you can see, I have my beautiful client here, which is my little sister. I'm just doing her makeup for her birthday. This makeup was so pretty when I was done with it. So basically right now I'm just priming her eyelids for the eyeshadow. I didn't really know what type of look I was going for. I kind of like just freestyled it, but it actually did turn out so pretty. So yes, if you guys don't know, I am a makeup artist in Detroit, Michigan. If you live here or if you visit here, come see your girl. Come book me for your next makeup appointment. I'm always a good vibe, always laughing, always talking. So
all he wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the family around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows off the backseat, turning roulette. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money and things. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got fire, we're all so alive. Tell me when to roll, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. All perfect night, baby, when we gon' slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, feel the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip to the moon. Get home, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows off the backseat, running roulette. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money and things. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got fire, all so alive. Tell me when to roll, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. All perfect night, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, all perfect night, all perfect night, when we gon' slide.
So right now I'm just adding her a glitter wing. I did see this on Instagram and it turned out so pretty. If you don't already, go follow me on Instagram at Shahase. I will leave it right here on the screen, and click all the pages in my bio on my page and follow all my business pages from there. Most importantly, don't forget to follow my hair brand at achair.co on Instagram for all your mink lashes and luxury extensions and wigs. And y'all, my camera did cut off in the middle of the video, so it might be missing some clips, but for the most part I'm kind of like done talking in the video. So All the rest of it will just be music playing in the background. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all want to see more client tutorials or more makeup videos like this, just leave a comment below and I will try to get some clients in for y'all, or some mousse, what they call them, some models. I'll get some models in for y'all and record some videos to get some content out. I'm always happy to do makeup, so this type of content would never get boring for me. It's just up to y'all if y'all like it or not. But enough of me talking. I'll see y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
See you face to face, I'm thinking about the things we used to be. But I can make it seem, but I can make it seem. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the things we used to be. I can make it seem, but I can make it seem. Yeah, you want even if it's true. I need you every day, need you every day. Even if it's